Hi, today I'm for the new Redmi Note 12 and I'll show you all the box accessories with which our device comes. So let's first open the box. This is the USB Type-C cable, the charger brick with all of the specifications, and also we got here the paper box. This is the SIM ejector, some paperwork like the quick start guide, safety guide, and the warranty card, and the protective silicone case in clear color. So that's it. That's all of the box accessories with which our device comes. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.